Good morning. My name is Aurora Dutt and I am from Amity Institute of English Studies and Research. And my topic for the dynamic of happiness code PSYC 160 is a hamper for book lovers. So this is my hamper which I have made for those who are book lovers and they what they might need when they read a book. So let's go on to it. So the very first thing in a hamper is books. So in this hamper, I have gathered five different type of genres of books. So the first book is an autobiography. So this is also a very famous type of a genre which people like to read. So this one is of APJ Abdul Kalam. So yeah, next would be comic. This genre is very famous amongst young teenagers and young adults. They really like anime and stuff. Of course, anime is the adaptation of comics. So this is the original comic. This comics is in black and white and it starts from left to right. Yeah, left to right. Third, it's a very unique type of genre which I didn't knew like very early. Like I didn't knew about this. It's a self-help book. Self-help book are books which like tend to have some good quotations or good talk about stuff which you might want to do with people surrounding you or like around you or like how you should behave or like how to be yourself and everything, like you don't feel intimidated or like you don't feel scared or isolated among crowd. So this is one of the kind of a self-help book. This is how to win friends and influence people. So this is something which I have read and it's pretty good. It's about stuff. Next, I would say a very classic genre, classical literature. So this is a genre which people can never go wrong with. This is one of the very original type of genres that ever was like named or called. So the book which I have in my hand is Homer's Iliad. So this is pretty thick and I have read this. As a literature student, we need to read this type of books. And there are stories which are so interesting, like you tend to get hooked with these books and go and read more and more. So literature is that of type of a genre which you can continuously read more and more. Last but not least is an fiction book. Hello, my name is Aurora. I'm from Amity Institute of English Learners and Research. My topic for dynamic of happiness is a gift hamper for book lovers. So this is a hamper that I have created for those who like books. So this is something which I'm going to show you and ask you what do you like about it and what do you think it's needed. So first of all, your name.
Anushka Datta.
So what do you like about this? Like if you like it or not.
Yes, as a book hamper, it has plenty of books. I also like the fact that it has some cute supplementaries, for example, like this magnetic bookmarker, even this cute, stylish bookmarker, acrylic, right?
Yeah.
Very pretty. And the very best thing about it is also have is a snack while reading. It's absolutely lovely. For things, they can add some more books and a few more snacks probably, and stickers. I can see that there is a small sticker over here, like and note sticky pads. I think a bigger one to jot down some
A
notes or a
sticky note, big
favorite.
sticky notes you are saying.
Yes, yes, that would be lovely. She also is preparing some pens with it. A glitter pen would be nice.
These are colored pens.
Oh, these are lovely.
These
Love.
pens can be used as highlighters even to mark underline stuff. So that's why I thought of having colored pens rather than blue and black. So that's all from your side.
Yes.
Thank you. So next, I also have one more person who I would like want her to review this. So kindly say your name.
Okay, hi, my name is Paridhi, and when I see this small box of happiness, that's very interesting though. And I think that, okay, first, this book that I've also read, that is by Dale Carnegie, How to Win Friends. That is a very interesting book that is in this collection of happiness box. And along with that, there are certainly a lot more books of multiple genres. Again, anime is everyone's favorite, so there's also a book related to that. And I think the Cope D8 by Ben Coase is also a great book that is in the collection. I love the fact that there are the colored pens that she told you all that this is they can be used as highlighters as well, and the stickers which have flowers made in them are pretty cute, and I love them. And that is how whenever anyone could see this box, they will feel very happy, very relaxed because this has a lot of things in it which can calm anyone's mind because girls mind even more because that is very cute, very relaxing, you know. So I think this is a very nice box which can provide happiness.
Okay, thank you so much for your review. So, anything you feel like it's something should be needed to add?
Okay, so I think if you add some more collection of pens, maybe they can be highlighters also. They can be colored pens as well. They can be, there are stamp pens. Some of the stamp pens which can be used. For example, you stamp that pen and the flower comes on the page. That would be very cute.
Oh, I didn't know that. I
Yeah.
felt like okay, that's something really interesting to add on the basket. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, good morning. My name is Aurora. I'm from Amity Institute of English and Honors. So, this is my hamper gift hamper for book lovers. So, I want you, sir, to review. Kindly say your name.
Hi, my name is Dr. Jibu. I feel extremely happy to see such a hamper. This is book lovers, I think, paradise because you have obviously all the good books and the wide variety of books, and then you have bookmarks and also stickers. So if you like some pages or lines that you like, then you can mark it. And there are notebooks also wherein you can jot down your points. And if you feel hungry, then you have a little bit of snacks too.
So, do you feel anything that should be also added?
For me, I think it's a complete package.
That's all. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Adora Dutt. I am from Amity Institute of English Studies and Research. So this is my happiness project for code PSYC 160. My project is the gift hamper for book lovers. So this is a book. This is a basket which I have prepared for those who like to read books. So kindly review it and tell me, is there something that is lacking in this, or and how do you feel when you see this type of a hamper given to you?
So what I see here are different types of books. There is a classic. There is something by APJ Abdul Kalam,
It's
which
an
is also
autobiography.
autobiography, and there is something to enjoy during your leisure hours. Naruto. I think it's
Self-help.
part of it.
Yeah,
one
it's a
part of it.
comic. It's a Japanese, like
I know,
authentic
I know.
comic. There's a self-help book, and there's also a fiction.
And
Carnegie.
it also has some nice stickers around. Good food.
Yes, pen also,
Pens.
sketches also. Yes, it feels really happy to see all this. It's a good overall complete in itself. It makes me happy.
Yes, I would say it's a complete basket. If I
has a
had been
snack
given
also.
similar basket, I would be very happy. But with a choice of books.
Yes.
But congratulations, I think people will be
You
happy.
must
with
have a healthy option of snacking also apart from this.
Makhane.
Yes, but
Maybe
and
next
dry
time.
fruits,
Dry fruits,
sprouts.
yeah.
Yes.
How will I keep dry fruit?
They're small packets.
No, see, the most important thing is reading.
Yeah.
So there is ample material for reading, underlining, taking notes. That's
Notepad is
also
also
very
there.
important.
Yeah.
Taking notes. I usually take notes while I
So
read.
this
That's very
basket
nice.
is complete in itself. Yes.
Okay,
Good
so
job. You should be happy.
I am, because this is something which I definitely want while I'm reading some interesting novels,
Sure.
but whichever genre is. So thank you so much, ma'am.
you.
Oh, I forgot to introduce yourself.
I am Dr. Shiladita Bhattacharya from AISR.
I am Dr. Manisha Sinha from AISR.
Thank you so much, teachers.
Good luck.
Thank you. Good morning. My name is Adora. I'm from Amity Institute of English Honors and Studies. My topic for PSYC 160 is a hamper for book lovers. So, with me, Devashri is there. So, kindly introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I am Devashri Anuj Bahal from AISR.
So, this is a hamper which I have gathered for book lovers like you and me, as we are English honors students. So, kindly tell me, what do you think something is needed in it, and how do you feel when you see a book hamper given to you like this?
It is a good hamper. Maybe I would, because I am a coffee lover, I would need coffee.
Yeah, so drinks are also included in this, guys. Don't worry, drink and snacks is also there.
Yeah, otherwise, it's a very good hamper, very positive vibes. We have stickers, we have a diary, we have stickers, we have a diary, we can write with the pens, we have a very pretty bookmark. So yeah, it's good. We have like a sweet treat while we're reading. So yeah, all in all, it's a good hamper.
So, do you feel like something is something should be included in it?
Coffee?
That's a drink. That's of course it will be there.
No,
I
but
cannot
how about like coffee flavored snack?
coffee flavor snack. Okay,
Yeah.
that's an interesting option.
Yes.
So, but for that we need to search for those.
I can send you a link. I have a few
Okay.
options.
So that's all from my review. So that's all you
Yes.
need. Thank you so much.